I'm here with my Dash mini rice cooker and I am going to be making some jasmine rice. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So this is a bag of Omega jasmine rice that I got at the Dollar Tree. I believe this brand is from Louisiana. And I am going to be cooking a half cup of this in my Dash mini rice cooker. This is enriched rice, so they say you do not want to rinse it before you cook it. And this is a half cup of the rice. They say that the ratio of water to rice for jasmine rice is 1 1/4 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. But I'm only making half of a cup of rice, so I am only going to use a half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. This is my rice cooker. Let's put in the rice. I just measured out the water. Let's pour that in. Cover on top. I plugged it in. It's on warm, so I'm going to press cook. And that's it. Then we'll be back when the rice cooker clicks off. It'll click off from cook to warm. It's a little more than a half hour later, and I was in the other room. I did not even hear this click off. So let's check out the rice. Right now, the rice cooker is on warm, and the rice should be done. This is what it looks like. The pot is very hot, so you want to make sure that you use some kind of pot holder if you're going to touch it. Nothing's sticking on the bottom, so this looks really good. And the rice looks like it's nice and fluffy. That's what the rice looks like. I'm going to give it a taste. Yeah, that's really nice. It's soft, but not too soft. So this rice is like perfectly cooked. I'm very happy with the way that it cooked in this mini rice cooker. And I'm not going to be eating it right now. So I'm just going to let it sit here on warm until I need it. So that's how easy it is to cook some jasmine rice in a Dash mini rice cooker. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.